What's going on, mukbang crew? What's good, mukbang guys? We got some freaking stale pizza that has been delivered to us by God. Let's say blessing for this little snack. Dear God, thank you for this food. Let it nourish our bodies and help the people. And I just thank you that we're in this big arena today. You know, many people's dreams that have brought us here. Amen. 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 Okay. Technical issues. The Sprite is falling down. What's up, Jared? I'm actually filming the YouTube channel, the YouTube video.
I need mine. This is Wesley Pipes. This is Billy Bong Thornton.
Real. Okay. I'm gonna rate this pizza a boom or a doom. So, B-O-O. M. Boom! That's everybody to hear. I rate this pizza a boom. A boom. It's fire.
Don't boom boom because of how good it is.
Well. I like these kids. They help my self-esteem. I'm gonna be so real for y'all. We're gonna record every Wednesday in this church. You guys should come. Yeah, you know, check out the church. I'll put it down in the description. Let's rate the pepperoni pizza. I only have pepperoni. And it's a boom. For real. It's a boom. It's a big boom. I enjoyed it. You know what? I might have to finish this on camera. Really? Yeah. First time in forever. Besides, you know, all the sandwich videos we made. The sandwiches were so good. Hey. Filming a little YouTube video.
You are?
Yes, ma'am. Telling all 22 people that subscribe to come here. Say hi. Say hi to the channel.
Hello. Tell them to come here.
You should come down here. You heard it straight from the source. Straight from the source. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm so scared right now. I'm so scared. That's so real. You know, but I think that's a pretty good video. Hold on. The dessert. The dessert. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take a little bite. Rate it a boom or a doom. It's got some marshmallows and chocolate and some brownie. Ooh. Okay. Is it a boom? It's gooey. It's gooey. It's good. A hint of chocolate. It's 99% chocolate. I rate this brownie. Everybody to hear. This brownie is a boom. Fire. Just so you know what we're eating. What's going on, guys? Say hi to my YouTube channel. Bye, guys. Love you.